Welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you everything about the JustPlay app, how to download it, use it, and how to earn money from it. What is JustPlay? JustPlay is a free mobile app that rewards users with coins for playing games and completing small task surveys and challenges. Help you earn more, then you convert coins into cash or gift cards. How to download? Open the App Store or Google Play, search for JustPlay, and install the app. Sign in or register a new account after installation. How to use? Browse the list of available games or tasks, choose one and play or complete it to earn coins. Check the coins meter to track your earnings. Do daily tasks or challenges to boost rewards. Watch optional ads when available to increase coin gain. Use menus or dashboard to see which offers you haven't completed. How to withdraw/cash out? When you've earned enough coins, open the cash out section, pick a payout method like PayPal or gift card, request the withdrawal. The system may enforce a waiting period before processing. Tips to maximize earnings. Focus on tasks and games that give higher rewards. Keep your daily streaks. Use all available offers and events. Take advantage of bonus promotions. Watch ads when it gives extra coin rewards. Cash out early when minimum is reached to avoid delays. Caution and limitations. Earnings per hour are low. The app may show many ads and tasks may dry up. Sometimes conversion rates or withdrawal delays reduce effective rewards. Test small withdrawals first and monitor your activity. Conclusion. JustPlay is an extra earning app, not a full-time income solution. Use it if you accept slow gains and frequent ads. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your results using JustPlay.